Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And if you guys watched my previous video, you guys know I'm going to do kind of an unboxing and a quick overlook of this Capri Tools 8-piece Kontour screwdriver set. You guys also know that I got their 100 tooth ratcheting wrench set as well. I'll be doing a separate video on that. But I figured I'd start out with the screwdrivers because these have not been released to the public yet. They will be soon. I tried searching for them everywhere, could not find them being sold anywhere yet. They did tell me that they weren't released yet, but at the time that I received this, it was a couple weeks ago. So I was just double checking, so I was going to post it in the description if it was available, but it's not quite yet. You can find all the information on this on Capri Tools website, which is just capritools.com. I'll link it down in the description for you guys. They have a very wide lineup of tools. This is also part of their Get Organized series, and they have a locking pliers set and many other sets. And basically what that means is they all come in this blue foam tray. So if you have room in your toolbox, these foam trays are great for staying organized and keeping everything looking nice. So the part number on this is, or the model is Charlie Papa 25000- Sierra Sierra 8 Kilo Mike Tango. It's the 8-piece set. It tells you all the sizes here, and Capri Tools does a really good job of packaging their stuff. So on the back, you basically just have some information, some warnings, some all of that good stuff, and then you also have Capri Tools warranty. This just states a very general warranty. To actually find out the warranty for your product through Capri Tools, if you bought something, you actually need to go to their website or their product catalog to find out the specific warranty for that item, and I'll go over that towards the end of the video. They don't actually have a warranty on this yet because, well, it hasn't been released, so they don't even have that online. But getting this unpackaged, very nice box. Not that you're going to keep it or anything. I don't know, maybe you will. Who knows? But getting it out of the package, as you can see, it's in this foam tray. It keeps everything really nicely organized. I'm guessing, if I remember correctly, this is going to sell for around $70 or so, but don't quote me on that. I'm not even sure. So the foam trays are really nice, and then on the black part of the foam, I'm not even sure if you guys will be able to see it, but they do have the size of the screwdriver as well, just in case the markings ever rub off of the screwdriver or anything like that. Now, one thing I did notice right away is that the screwdriver blue doesn't actually match the blue of the foam. This is more of, I guess you would say, a teal or something like that. I don't know, but it's not the same blue. But you get the 8-piece screwdriver set. You got all the flathead screwdrivers over here and all of your Phillips on this side. So you get a stubby of each, the flathead and the Phillips, all the way up. The size markings on the back of the actual screwdriver are actually pretty small, but then they do have this just in case you want a quick reference what style of screwdriver it is. They also have here pH 3, 2, 1, and 2. Same thing on the flathead side. So starting off, it's got the foam dual color. Getting into the screwdrivers, it's actually a black oxide steel tip, and then it is a chromoly steel shaft. So it is durable. As you guys know, I don't really have anything here at my house to test it on or use them quite yet. So this is just an unboxing, quick overview information on the tools. And then once I get the rest of my tools here and we can start working on the Camaro again, we'll put these to the test. The handles are grease, oil, and acid resistant. It's also a non-slip design, and you guys might notice that this handle design is kind of familiar in some others. If you can drop a couple other screwdrivers that have this design down in the comments, that would be great, just to see if any of you guys know what this kind of resembles. But it is very comfortable in the hand, I can tell you that. The black part is a rubberized grip portion, and the blue is kind of it's just the plastic, and they put online that that's for speed turning whereas the rubber portion is for gripped turning and getting a lot of torque on something. Then they have this, they call this the grooved edge, just so it helps prevent your screwdriver from rolling away wherever you're working. That's what they describe it as. And then this is just their new Kontour design. They do have this hole here, which they just call it a hanging hole. I've always known it to also be a way of torquing down a screw. I know not a lot of people use that feature, but that's what they have it labeled as. And then what else do they have on there? Let's getting away kind of from the screwdrivers and getting into Capri Tools warranty. Now it's kind of different. They have a limited warranty. They will repair without charge any defective materials or workmanship for either 1, 2, 5, 10 years or the useful life of the product from the date of purchase. So if you do purchase a Capri Tools, you will have to look up online or their Capri Tools catalog and find out the specific warranty for whatever tool you do buy from them. Figure out the warranty, keep the receipt, and it's only good for the original purchaser. So if you would, sell these to somebody else, I guess they can't warranty the product. And like I said, you have to have proof of purchase, but you also have to send in the complete set. So if this screwdriver handle would break off or something, and obviously it has to be due to normal use, no misuse of the item, no modifying the tools or anything like that. Otherwise that voids the warranty, kind of like everything. But it is kind of weird that they don't just state on the package what warranty comes with what item. That would be much more helpful instead of having to look it up. And then I really enjoy no hassle warranties where I don't have to keep track of receipts or anything like that. So that's kind of a pain, but some people might be used to holding on to that stuff, so that might not be too bad for you. But I also think that they should have more lifetime warranty items. I mean, I can understand a short limited warranty or no warranty on accessories and usable or consumable items, but as far as the average hand tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, things like that, they should look into, actually making a lifetime warranty. That would be something great. It would probably draw a lot more customers. But I did notice not a lot of people know about Capri Tools, but a lot of people are interested in them. So I want to keep doing reviews on Capri Tools, letting you guys know my first thoughts and then thoughts after I use the tools. So I will keep you guys updated. But overall, this is a really nice screwdriver set. Really nice little case if you got the room to store it in your box. They seem like really nice screwdrivers. I don't believe they're magnetic tips. I tried them on a few things laying around the house. I couldn't find anything. So not that you can't magnetize them, that's no big deal. But overall, I'm happy with them. I'm really excited to try out this handle style. It's really comfortable. You get a lot of grip on this, so it's kind of more of a close-up. Now, I did notice on like this, there are some imperfections in the handle and stuff like that. Some dings. So it's not, 100% perfect, but I don't think that's going to affect the operation of this screwdriver set. So there's just your quick look at the 8-piece screwdriver set through the Get Organized series from Capri Tools. Unsure of the warranty as of right now until they release the product. But I will also try and link this down in the description. I'll be doing a review on it. This is the 12-piece wrench set, 100 tooth. I'll be doing a review on. I believe these are on Amazon for sale already, and I do believe this set runs around $150. We're not going to get into it right now, but they are a really nice wrench, and I hope you guys come back to see the review or unboxing and more information on these wrenches. So I will do my absolute best to get all the information that I can put down in the description for you guys if you're interested, and I will link Capri Tools website so you can check out some of their other products. I'll also have a list of other tools down there. But like always, since I've been here in Indiana, This is a complete uncut and raw video, no editing. This is it. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'd be glad to either find out the answer for you or let you know if I already know the answer. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time when we go over the 100 tooth ratcheting wrenches.